Okay, let's get back started again. Any questions on what we've covered so far? Okay, so we've seen the Perceptron algorithm, but there's definitely a few problems with how it works. It's not completely satisfying because you don't know what hyperplane and what decision boundary it's going to end up with. So the first problem is that if the data isn't separable, then the weights might just thrash around, and average weight vectors can help, but you don't exactly know where it's going to end up. And then a second problem is that sometimes, even if it is separable, it might find a decision boundary that just barely separates the data. And you don't know where it's going to end up. So in this case, if you have your red points on the left and your blue points on the right, then you don't really have any guarantees about what this decision boundary is going to look like. And it can look like a variety of different things. And the third problem is that it's possible to overtrain in this case. So overtraining is kind of like overfitting. It's pretty similar, but it's basically the case is as you continue training, your training error will get better and better because you just keep on improving and decreasing your error rate based on the errors that you've seen. But over time, your tests and your held out data might decrease. And this is essentially just what happens if you run it for too long. So first, we're not going to talk about solving all of these problems today, but we're going to talk about some improvements that you can make based on these problems. So